Hello everyone, and welcome to my Lili Rochefort cosplay tutorial. I've wanted to cosplay her for a really long time, like ever since high school, so it felt great to finally make it happen. Starting off with the makeup, I actually made a Lili inspired tutorial back in 2015, so I guess you could call this an updated version of that. I used gray lenses in a realistic style to achieve that icy blue color Lili has. Then I primed my face with a moisturizer. I buffed on a medium coverage foundation with a matte finish, then used whatever product was left on the brush to prime my lids. To set the foundation, I tapped on a layer of translucent powder. I lightly contoured my face for some definition. Then I applied a dusty pink blush to add some color. I also used a touch of pink toned highlight for a soft glow. Then I went back and contoured my nose because I kind of forgot to earlier. Since Lili has full bangs that basically cover the brows, I kept things simple by filling them in with a light brown eyeshadow. I used more foundation to clean up the edges and soften the front of the brows. Then I set them in place with a clear gel. I applied a cream-colored eyeshadow all over the lid to create a base. Then I blended a matte taupe eyeshadow into the crease. I deepened the crease ever so slightly by adding more product, then continued to blend. I used a white eyeliner to brighten up the waterline as I usually do, but then I also applied a small amount to my lower lash line as a base for the next step. I smudged a cool-toned pink eyeshadow on top to enhance the color, then continued to blend. I used a black eyeliner to tightline, then I also applied some to the space between my lashes and inner corner. I coated my top and bottom lashes with some black mascara. I also like to smudge a little bit down the lower lash line to add definition. I applied natural-looking false lashes, then outlined and filled in my lips with a nudie pink lip liner. I added some clear lip gloss on top. Then set everything in place. Moving on to the wig styling, I honestly don't have much to say since Lili's hair is pretty simple. I started with this gorgeous Arta wig that I thought was a perfect base for Lili. Considering how long her hair is, a high quality wig is easier to manage and gives you a lot to work with. I tied the rest of the hair back to keep it out of the way, then used a point cut to trim the bangs. In the center, I wanted the length to hit just above my eyes, but then I cut in a downwards angle along the sides to mimic Lili's style. Since the wig is pretty thick, I used thinning shears towards the bottom to remove some bulk. I sectioned off two small pieces of hair towards the front, then used clear elastic bands to mark just above my shoulders. Since the wig has a lot of hair, I divided the pieces into two sections to make it easier to work with. Then I cut in a downwards angle to create a shape that would help frame my face. Lili's side pieces are actually a bit shorter, they hit just below her chin. However, I decided to keep mine a little longer out of personal preference since I worried that the shorter length wouldn't suit me. Then I used the thinning shears to blend the two sections together. Lastly, we have the outfit, accessories, and shoes. What an iconic look, okay? And I love how everything came together. So I purchased this cosplay from Cosplay Sky. It's actually the second one they made me. It's a long story. I'm not sure if I'd recommend them, but it came with the top and skirt, both of which I steamed before wearing to remove the wrinkles. It also came with the gloves, necktie, and pin, which as you can see, I had to cut off some of the loose threads. I wore a petticoat to fill out the skirt and perfect the shape, with red leg warmers and knee-high boots made in Lili style to complete the look. And that's it! Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel, Tara for Your Wellness, for more cosplay tutorials and other fun things. And until next time, please take care and stay well.